Hey folks, Kellen here. I've got another exercise from Chapter 3 of Programming Principles and Practice. This is exercise 18. Write a program where you first enter a set of name and value pairs such as Joe 17 and Barbara 22. For each pair, add the name to a vector called names and the number to a vector called scores in corresponding positions so that names sub 7 equals Joe, then scores sub 7 equals 17. Terminate input with no name 0. Check that each name is unique and terminate with an error message if a name is entered twice. Write out all the name score pairs, one per line. So I've got a program that does this. Here it is. Declare two vectors, one named names, one named scores. And right here, I'm just going to read in the name and the score from standard input. If the name is no name and score equals 0, then we push back no name and 0 onto names and scores, and then we break out of the loop. Else, we just want to push back the name and the score. Here I check for duplicates. So we just pushed a name onto the names vector, right? So I want to check the whole vector to see if any of those names already exists. And if that happens, I spit out an error and the program returns a 1 indicating that it terminated with an error. If we get past all this, then we simply loop through the two vectors, names and scores, and we print their values. So let's test that, make sure it works. Okay, so first name is going to be Brady, he's got a score of 10. Next name will be Kellen, a score of 15. Let's do Julie, 2. Hercules. I don't know how to spell Hercules, 9. And then we enter no name, 0. Okay, Brady, Kellen, Julie, Hercules, no name. So that works. Now what about the case where we enter some duplicates? So let's say Joe has a score of 9. Say Lily has a score of 7. And then whatever, Sean has a score of 8. And Joe again has a score of 10. The program detects that not all the names are unique and terminates with an error message. Okay folks, that's all for now.